Audi Q5, and this was just a body shop repair, remove line, put line back on so they could do some work. Unfortunately, they just let the refrigerant out into the air. It's one where the insurance company says, oh, we don't pay that much for air conditioning, so instead of paying for the recovery, one of the many body shops who just bleed the refrigerant off into the air because the insurance company won't pay them enough for air conditioning. Cost-cutting procedures. Just bleed everything, dump the engine oil down the drain out in the parking lot or in the street, and pour your waterborne paint down the water drain because it's cost-cutting procedures. Nice insurance companies tell them you don't pay for it, they'll find a way to do it cheaper. So we're on this Audi Q5 or Q7, and 21 or 25 low side, 155 high side, and we're ranging between 93 97 degrees. Actually, it's cooler in here now, but it's one of our record-breaking days here in San Francisco. And still able to get it 40 degrees out of the dash. And as you can see, we got cool air coming out of here with the condensation. Can you see that? Even though we're almost 100 degrees, we can still condensate out on the glass because it was done right. Unlike the last one I just came from a shop that hacked it and butchered it. And but that's it. Just near record-breaking day here in San Francisco, approaching 100 degrees, and still can get condensation on the windows. That's what happens when you do it right. And insurance companies telling some of the body shops they don't pay a certain price for a procedure, so they'll just dump whatever it is into the atmosphere, into the ground, down the drain, down the water pipe. See you on the next one.